Hello everyone, welcome to Py.Coders. Today we will see how to install VS Code editor in your Windows. So first go to any web browsers. I am using Google Chrome. Now type VS Code. Then you can see the first link, Visual Studio Code. Click on the link and here you can see the download for Windows button. Now click on the button. Now the download is started. It will take around 1 minute. Once your download is completed, click on the show in folder button. Now it will redirect you to the VS Code. Now double click on it. Now you can see the license agreement. Accept the agreement. Then click the next button. Next, next. Create a desktop icon. I am adding a desktop icon to my window, so add this also. Now next, install. Once the installation is completed, you can see a finish button. Click on the finish. You can see our Visual Studio icon here. Now double click it to start. Here it is. Here is your Visual Studio. Now you can enjoy your coding. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.